have a pretty bad callus that has developed on the bottom of my foot, so I just got this. Comes with the gloves. The first thing you're gonna do is soak your feet for 5 to 10 minutes, and I do have a little hot water foot bath. And then this, as gross as it is, this is the before, so there's that like callus that just will not go away, and we're gonna see what happens. The next step is to use the gloves and a thick layer of the gel and put it on your foot. After you've put it on and kind of rubbed your foot, you may notice that it's a little bit gritty with the dead skin cells. And then after you leave it on for 5 minutes, I'm going to use a foot file to really get it nice and smooth. And after, it is still there, but definitely less, and my foot feels pretty soft, so that's good. I'll probably have to do this a few times though. If you want to get your feet back to being softer and get rid of calluses, I do recommend trying this.